Hi, I'm Manasi Prasad, classical vocalist, and we're super excited about presenting an all-new musical collaboration called Metronome Station for this edition of the Under the Raintree Women's Festival. The festival is an amazing platform to bring together women from different walks of life under one umbrella to really express, share, and ideate without fear of judgment. And we are super excited to be coming together for this festival. The idea of the Metronome Station, our musical collaboration, is just like a metro station is about people from different walks of life coming together at the station. Similarly, the metronome is something which keeps the rhythm in music, and we are women from different genres, different areas of Bangalore who've come together and are creating beautiful music together. So the lineup consists of myself, classical vocals, and there's Siri, who's a rap artist, and we are joined by a team of amazing musicians. We have Sumana Chandrasekhar on the handpan and ghatam. We have Padma Priya, who's on the keyboard. We have Shalini Mohan, bass guitarist, and we have Priya Andrews on the drums. So it's really a group of vibrant and really expressive women who are coming together, and we hope to create some wonderful music. So join us all on the 2nd and 3rd of November. Our show is on the 3rd of November in the evening, but be a part of this entire festival, and we look forward to seeing all of you there. Thank you.